Hey, I'm going to show you the universal selfie stick Avoalre tripod. It came in a box. It also came in a flashlight with a charger, so you can charge the flashlight. And also see in a box it came with the tripod and a manual. It's sometimes it's hard to understand what they're trying to say in the manual. I'm going to show you step by step. So it has a holding part and the long stick body, and the bottom one is the tripod. So for open the tripod, you need to push outward with your finger. Then it will open the tripod, so you can fix on the ground. Then you can also rotate up to the 360 degree. Whatever angle you need, you can use that. You can increase the selfie stick length. It's 67 inches, almost 5 feet. You can reduce and adjust the length, whatever you need. The hard part I found is the holding the phone, because the spring is a little hard. That helps out actually to hold the phone. So the adjustable end, you have to push towards up with your phone. Then you need to set the bottom part of your phone in the holder actually. Then whatever angle you need, you can adjust that. There is a screw. That's how we can tight the fixed position. It came up with a remote, so you can use that as a controller from the distant position. So when you need a group picture, or if you need to control from distant position, you can use that. Before that, you need to pair up. You need to open your Bluetooth, and you need to pair up the device, remote device with your phone. Then you can use as a remote controller. All right, so you can, as I said, you can adjust the different angle. See, I took a picture with the remote. It looks good. And also, this is the tricky part. So for I found so fixing the phone into the holder, you probably need to struggle with that. But once you get the actual way, then it will be easy for the use. I think it's good to have. So for taking the video picture, you can use the front face, you can use the down face, whatever it requires, you can use that. Another thing, the good feature is if you are doing a video at night, probably it's a good feature for you. It came with a flashlight, so that it's shine your face, and that increase the video quality or the picture quality. That's a really awesome feature. That's the good one. I think it's a good one. I like that. So it's probably the good one to have.